Researching the market for a 2009 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission.
Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.